It's a good day, guys, because we're going to make a video tutorial that you're sure to learn and that you can apply to your Android app projects, especially to VPN developers, modders. Because of this video I will teach you how to add torrenting app detection to our app projects or whatever you want to be detected when you open your app projects. Before we start, if you are new to my little channel, please press the subscribe button and please select the all notification bell to notify you of my next videos. Let's get started. I'll just build the app first. So there is no torrenting app detection inside yet. Let's put it now. Just follow me in what I will do. I will also put the Java code in the description below. Just copy the package name or application ID of the apps you want to be detected when your app is opened. Well, it is now working. The app I installed has been detected. When the apps in the torrenting list are installed, this dialog will pop up and they will not be able to use the app you created. You can add an app inside the torrenting list as much as you can. That's all guys in this video. I hope you learned something at least. Thank you very much for watching.